I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and I bought a knife sharpener because my nail clip 580 ain't that sharp no more. Check it out. Also, I keep confusing the nail clipper and the knife. They're side by side. It comes from Victorinox, the official site, official seller in Shopee. Bubble wrapped, yes. It should be good. Actually, this need not be bubble wrapped because it's not really breakable, not really fragile. But here we go. Actually, it's tiny. This is a small sharpener, and it really is small. Small. One zip tie, which, if you have a blunt knife, ironically will be hard to open. Okay, here we go. It's made of hard plastic. That's what she said. And the tip has some kind of, I don't know, either tungsten or ceramic. Okay, how do we use this? Put this like this, and then it goes this way. Actually, there should be some instructions. This knife was expensive. I don't want to screw it up. I had it for like 4 years. English 1, pull over the cutting edge 2 to 4 times with some pressure. Number 2, pull over the cutting edge 4 to 6 times with light pressure to smooth the edge. Okay, some stones or some sharpeners have 2 different sides. This one is just 1. So press a little bit firmly. How many times? 2 to 4 times. And then do it very lightly 4 to 6 times. So basically, lightly twice as much as with pressure. Okay, so bubble wrap. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I can feel the metal scratchiness. Then lightly. I should probably be doing it over the table. Can you see this table? It's too far away. Is this safe? No, not really, but okay. Okay, try and get it perpendicular. Ooh, okay, it works. Depending on how blunt your blade is, sharpen as much as necessary. You don't always want a sharp blade. Sometimes you do. I want a sharp blade, so I'll try and sharpen this later. Don't do it all at once. Don't press too hard, because then you might end up with notches, which is hard to remove. Just some medium pressure or medium lightish pressure. Then twice as many extra light. And repeat this process maybe every day or every few hours until you feel it's just nice. Don't go crazy. Subscribe. I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff.